So in this realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit HOA fee per month filters here on the realtor.com mobile application. So the first thing you have to do is open up realtor.com. Once that is done, go to the bottom left here, press on the search tab, then go to the top left and press on filters. So once you have the filters tab open up, simply just scroll down a little bit to the bottom here to where it says max HO fees per month. And as of right now, it actually is defaulted to any. But if you want to change that to no HOAs, so every time you search for a house, no HOA, no houses with houses that have no HOA fees will show. If you want to enter the max fees that you want regarding HOA, so for example, we'll do HOA fees of $1,000, just like this. Then press on done. Now in the bottom right here, your search is refined a little bit. Once that is done here, press on see homes. And now there you go. Now your search will be refined to only houses that have no HOA fees per month, or houses that have a certain HOA fee per month, as based on what you put in the filters tab. So super simple, super straightforward. But this is how to edit HOA fee per month filters here on Realtor.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.